Looking to earn some extra cash just by opening a bank account? SoFi is offering new customers up to $325 in sign-up bonuses. When you open a checking and savings account, here's how to get started. First, click on SoFi Referral link to sign up. This will qualify you for a $25 welcome bonus once you deposit at least $10 into your new account within 14 days. Next, to maximize your bonus, set up direct deposit. So if you deposit, let's say between $1,000 and four or $5,000 within just first 25 days, you will receive an additional $50. But if you deposit $5,000 or more, that bonus jumps up to $300. Combining the referral and direct deposit bonuses, you can earn up to $325. Plus, SoFi offers benefits like no monthly fees, early paycheck access, and competitive interest rates on savings. Remember, these promotions are time sensitive and may change, so it's best to act promptly. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. I'm here to help you navigate your financial journey.